This is Lily. Lily is a little bird. Lily is yellow and small. Lily lives in a tall tree. Lily has a problem. Lily is afraid to fly. All her brothers and sisters can fly, but Lily is too afraid. Flying is scary, says Lily. Lily's mother comes. Lily, you must learn to fly, says mother. All birds fly. But I am afraid, says Lily. The ground is so far away. Lily's brother Tom flies past. Flying is easy, says Tom, and it is fun. Lily looks down. She feels scared. I cannot do it, says Lily. Every day, Lily watches. She watches her family fly. They fly high in the sky. They fly to find food. They fly and play together. Lily stays in the nest. She is alone. I want to fly, thinks Lily, but I am too afraid. Lily feels very sad. One day, Lily sees a butterfly. The butterfly is beautiful. It has orange and black wings. Hello, says the butterfly. My name is Bella. Hello, says Lily. I am Lily. Why are you alone? Asks Bella. I cannot fly, says Lily. I'm too afraid. Bella sits next to Lily. Tell me, says Bella. Why are you afraid? The ground is very far, says Lily. What if I fall? What if I cannot fly? What if I am not strong enough? Bella listens. I understand, says Bella. I was afraid too. You were afraid? Asks Lily. Yes, says Bella. When I was young, I was afraid to fly. But what did you do? Asks Lily. I will tell you a secret, says Bella. Everyone is afraid sometimes. Being afraid is okay, but you cannot let fear stop you. How do I stop being afraid? Asks Lily. Take one small step, says Bella. Just one small step. You don't have to fly far. Just try a little bit. Lily thinks about this. One small step, says Lily. Lily stands at the edge of the nest. Her heart beats fast. You can do it, says Bella. Lily opens her wings. Her wings are small but strong. Just one small step, Lily tells herself. Lily jumps. She flaps her wings. 1, 2, 3 flaps. Lily flies for 2 seconds. Then she lands on a branch. I did it, shouts Lily. Lily is so happy. That was wonderful, says Bella. You flew. I flew, says Lily. But only a little. That's okay, says Bella. Now try again. Lily tries again. This time she flies for 5 seconds. Then she tries again. 10 seconds. You are getting better, says Bella. Lily smiles. She is still a little afraid, but now she knows she can fly. The next day, Lily's family comes home. Look, shouts Lily. Lily opens her wings. She jumps from the nest. She flaps her wings. She flies. Lily flies around the tree. Once, twice, 3 times. Lily, you can fly, shouts Mother. I knew you could do it, says Tom. All her family cheers. Lily lands in the nest. She is so happy. How did you learn? Asks Mother. I was so afraid, says Lily. But my friend Bella helped me. She told me to take one small step. I didn't have to fly far. I just had to try. And I practiced and practiced. Now I can fly. Mother hugs Lily. I am so proud of you, says Mother. You were brave. Lily smiles. Now Lily knows something important. Being afraid is okay. Everyone is afraid sometimes. But don't let fear stop you. Take one small step, then take another step, and another. Practice and practice, and one day you will fly.